Hello everyone. Do you ever feel like self doubt in holding you back? You are not alone. Building self esteem can seem challenging, but the good news is that it's achievable. In this video, we will explore 13 practical steps to help you feel more confident, capable, and in control of your life. From daily habits to mindset shifts, these proven strategies will empower you to embrace your worth and create a life you love. It's time to stop doubting and start thriving. Join me in this journey of self mastery and unveil your true potential. Watch this entire video. Let's dive in and take the first step towards becoming the best version of yourself. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic. So, get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. How to build self esteem 13 practical steps to feel better about yourself. Introduction. Self esteem can shift from moment to moment and day to day. Sometimes your sense of self worth is high. You feel like nothing can bring you down. Shortly afterwards, your mind may become flooded with negative thoughts. Maybe you start scrolling through social media with ample self confidence after a great post. You feel good to begin with, but soon after you think it tumbles. You can feel this change in your self esteem several times daily, even within the same hour. Having high self esteem takes energy every single day. It can be exhausting. And research shows that constant pursuit of high self esteem isn't healthy. Commit to improving your well being by learning how to improve self esteem without making it your top priority. Watch this video to understand what self esteem is, its importance, the lower side of it, its effects, and how to improve self esteem. What is self esteem? Self esteem is your opinion of yourself and your achievements, but it's not static, it can fluctuate, especially with social media's constant comparisons. This can lead to negative self talk or even a tendency to put others down to preserve self esteem. Unlike self confidence, which is about trusting your abilities, self esteem is tied to how you see yourself overall and is shaped by life experiences, beginning in childhood. While positive self talk helps, it's crucial to avoid constant comparison as low self esteem can affect relationships, health, and work. Building healthy self esteem means balancing self compassion and growth without relying on judgment or comparison. Why is it important to build self esteem? Building self esteem is important because it directly impacts how you view and care for yourself, influencing your overall well being. Low self esteem can signal underlying issues affecting your mental health, while high self esteem often reflects healthy self care practices. Reflecting on how you speak to yourself can help you identify areas for improvement, as self esteem issues can develop gradually. Supporting others who struggle with self esteem is equally important, as encouragement and understanding can make a meaningful difference in their confidence. What can lower self esteem? Low self esteem often arises from a combination of factors, including negative childhood experiences, bullying, trauma, and societal pressures. Critical environments, mental health issues, physical health challenges, and unhealthy relationships can further contribute to feeling of insufficiency. It's important to note that low self esteem often results from a combination of these factors rather than a single cause. Understanding these root causes is the first step in addressing and improving self esteem. Here is a more expansive list of things that can cause your self esteem to lower. Number one, abuse. Abusive and difficult relationships with your parents, either during childhood or adulthood, can harm your self esteem. Research has found that physical and emotional abuse by parents or other adults is a major factor in low self esteem. Number two, mindset. A negative attitude and a fixed mindset lower self esteem because it overwhelms your mind with negative thoughts. You are reminded that you aren't good enough or that nothing positive will happen to you and your confidence suffers. Number three, life events. While some life events uplift you, others lower your self esteem. An example is if you are taking a hard course at school and have failed a few assignments, you start criticizing yourself and the opinion your accomplishments are poor. Graduating from school, changing jobs, or moving cities could all affect you personally. Number four, social standards. One survey of college freshmen found that 65% of them said their base self worth on their appearance. External sources like approval of others and body image cause self esteem to lower at any time, and it might be difficult to regain again. Number five, goal setting. Setting goals is great if you know how to set them properly. When you set goals that are unattainable and unrealistic, it makes you think poorly of yourself when you don't achieve them. Even if these goals weren't achievable in the first place, your self esteem takes a hit. What are the effects of low self esteem? When you have low self esteem, your mental health can suffer. Frequent negative self talk can harm your mental health. People with poor self esteem are very critical of themselves and can hold harsh belief about themselves. They have difficulty moving past challenges and mistakes. It may lead to people isolating themselves because they want to protect their self esteem. They neglect standing up for themselves because they would rather stay quiet and put space between themselves and their challenges. In reality, self imposed social isolation only hurts them more. It takes people deep within their comfort zones instead of seeking new opportunities or hobbies. Low self esteem can also contribute to depressions, anxiety, and other mental health issues. Negative ways of thinking can halt efforts to build confidence or self worth, and negative thoughts also hinders effort on to develop a good on a growth mindset. 13 tactics to improve your self esteem. It's not easy talk to build your self esteem, but achieving a healthy level of self esteem can make a difference to your well being and confidence. Take a look at these 13 tactics to help bolster your self esteem, and let's think about which ones you would like to start implementing in your daily life. But don't stop there. Remember that the best way to achieve healthy self esteem is to focus less on esteem and more on practicing and improving self confidence. Write out a list of things you admire about yourself. The goal is to change or challenge your negative beliefs about yourself. It can be challenging to sit down and think about our admirable traits, even awkward. But acknowledging your skills or things you like about yourself can improve your self talk. Stop being a people pleaser. People with poor self esteem can feel obligated to say yes to requests. They often put helping others before their own mental health. This can lead to being easily overwhelmed, whether that's at work or in your personal life. That in turn causes a lot of stress. Step outside your comfort zone. Those with low self esteem tend to avoid challenges and new opportunities. This can be due to fears or self doubt. But when you succeed in any big or small way, you show yourself that you can preserve through those rough memories. Embrace physical exercise. Physical activities is a powerful tool for boosting self esteem. Regular exercise releases endorphins, improves body image, and provides a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's a short walk, yoga, or intense training, moving your body helps you feel stronger and more confident. Set realistic fitness goals and celebrate each milestones no matter how small. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your progress and self worth shouldn't be connected to how well other people are doing. There will always be someone better at something than you, but that doesn't mean you should not or you are not good at what you do. Forgive yourself for your past thoughts. As you work to build your self esteem and become more confident, you need to forgive yourself for how you treated yourself before. You can't move forward with your progress without accepting that you used to judge yourself and others harshly. I know it's a hard habit to break, but you can do it. Set boundaries in your relationships. Think about what your boundaries are in your personal and professional life. To have higher self esteem, you need to understand what your boundaries look and how they align with your values. Give back through volunteering. Volunteering offers a unique opportunity to build self esteem by connecting with others and making a meaningful difference. When you contribute to your community, you gain a sense of purpose and perspective. Choose causes that resonate with you, whether it's supporting local charities, helping at animal shelters, or mentoring youth. These experiences remind you of your inherent value and capacity to create a positive change. Practice kindness towards others. Doing something nice for someone else can significantly boost self esteem. Small acts of kindness, like helping a neighborhood, sending a thoughtful message, or offering genuine compliments, create a ripple effect of positivity. Those actions not only makes others feel good but also reinforce your own sense of worth and capability. Celebrate your wins. Victories come in all sizes and you should celebrate them all. Did you practice some positive self talk today? Did you banish some negative beliefs or face one of your fears? Acknowledge those feelings of confidence and pride and embrace them. It will help your self confidence grow and show you that building self esteem helps you feel more comfortable with yourself. Let go of negative people. It's one thing to let go of negative thoughts, but have you thought about letting negative people go? The people you surround yourself will have a big impact on your mood and level of self esteem. Be mindful of the quality of positivity. Authentic encouragements differ from toxic positivity. Genuine support doesn't only feel good, it also acknowledges challenges while maintaining hope and believing in your ability to grow. Seek out voices that offer realistic, compassionate guidance rather than unrealistic attitudes. Regularly audit your information sources. Just as you would declutter a physical space, periodically review the media, relationships, and content you allow into your mental space. Ask yourself, does this source makes me feel empowered or diminished? Get support improving your self-esteem. While you are learning how to improve your self-esteem, you will experience setbacks. You will have days where your poor self-esteem seems overpowering. Be patient with yourself. Progress doesn't happen overnight and is not always direct. Celebrate that small stuff. If you find even just one tactic that makes a difference in your well being, that's something to be proud of. At Profound Insights, it's all about finding ways that make you feel proud of yourself and your accomplishments. This helps you feel more motivated to guide your progress forward. Plus, it builds your self confidence when you encounter any challenges. I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was useful in unveiling your true potential. Stay tuned for more informative videos that can make your lives better and more fruitful. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos at Profound Insights under the Self Mastery Unveil Your True Potential playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to create more such videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching the stars. Thank you.